Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
For a reliable custard gulab jamun dough, start with 1 cup fresh khoya or 3/4 cup milk powder mixed with 1/2 cup all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add 1 tablespoon ghee for richness, then pour 1/4 cup milk slowly while kneading just until soft. Do not overwork. The dough should be smooth and slightly tacky. Divide into 18 equal portions and roll into 1-inch balls, ensuring no cracks so they hold shape while frying and absorb syrup evenly. Prepare the syrup by combining 2 cups sugar with 2 cups water in a saucepan, and add 4 crushed green cardamom pods and 1/2 teaspoon saffron threads. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cook until it reaches a light 1-string consistency. Test between thumb and forefinger. Remove from heat briefly and stir in 1 tablespoon rose water and 1 teaspoon lemon juice to prevent crystallization. Maintain the syrup warm at about 160 degrees F on low, so balls absorb it efficiently when added. Heat a neutral oil to medium-low, about 320-340 degrees F, and fry the 1-inch dough balls in batches so they can expand and color evenly. Fry each batch for 4-5 minutes until golden brown. Turn gently with a slotted spoon and avoid high heat to prevent uncooked centers. Drain briefly on paper towels and immediately transfer the warm balls into the warm syrup so they soak for at least 1 hour. Serve warm or at room temperature, garnished with chopped pistachios and a couple saffron strands for aroma and color.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.